Hello, today I will show you a nice and effective floating button with a model. So, if you click on the button, it will show you a model with the content which you can set from the theme Shopify theme panel. It's actually a simple and nice model. It is effective because if you want to show visitors any specific sale offer or, or wants uh, that to know about any new product, new offer, new proposal, you can just add here nice eye-catching logo or anything, any image, and behind the scene you can add a banner like this, and also you can add those any image or page link here. So if they click on the image, they will go through the specific product or page what you wanted to show them. So it's actually can be controlled from the theme customization panel Shopify. You all already know this. So this is the icon section. This is called ZSD offer model. So you just can add in the footer, or you can add or to header. Footer and header section will show every page, and if you want to show a specific page only, then you can just add it to the template section. Add it here. I just added it in the footer, as you can see in the footer here. And there is the options you can change from the theme panel. That's those are the banner. When you want to click that show this banner from, you can just place from the here. If you want to change it, just click here and add anything, any image you want to show. If you can add this, that will be show. Just save it and refresh the page. Click this, and these things are this banner is now showing. And it's as I added it in the footers as a section, then it will be show should be shown every page and product, and everywhere, actually everywhere in your store. And there is the link. You can say add any link from your store, anything, product, page, blog, article, anything you can say it here. And the icon, you can easily change it. Any icon, you can just imagine if you have a wonderful doll icon, eye-catching, you can just upload your on your store, Shopify store, and you can just place it here. As if I want to change it to a animated image, I can change it, select and save, and I'll refresh the page, and here it is. You can just see the animated image here. It's obviously an eye-catching for the visitors or for the customer. So that's the simple things. And if you back to the code, you can just copy from the video, pause the video and copy this code from here. It's a simple code, HTML, CSS, and liquid code. There is no other library like jQuery or anything you want to need. It just a section, and every code is here actually. So say the CSS, and here is the HTML and liquid image, and the schema liquid, and here is snippets of JavaScript. Everything is here, and it will not going to conflict with other codes as it's just a simple code. You can just edit if you want, like so that's it. And the other option is, if you don't want to code from the video, you just get it from me that you want to need uh, comment out the video of YouTube video, and I will contact you and I will send you the actual code. So that's it. Thanks for the watching.